Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily split your images in Canva. So here we go. In order to do that, you can open Canva PC versions. To get started, you can click Apps, click Design Essentials, and try to find Image Splitter. Create seamless carousels and grid. So image splitters allow you to easily split an image into grid, carousel format, and batch add into your design. To get started, you can click use in new design, or if you already had project, you can use in existing design. So here you can add images to new pages. So this is my previous image. So we can delete it. So you can choose the file and try to find images that you want to split. This one, for example, you can choose number of rows, a number of columns. By default is 3 and 3. Just simply click split image and done. So you can add to design one by one. And here we go. There are total 9 images. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.